Okay, now I am taking a motor. You can use any kind of 12-volt motor. I am using 12-volt 775 motor for best output. Now I am take a big magnet for making base of the fan. I am using one big and three small magnet. Using magnet, it is very unique and beautiful to see. You follow me, or you can use any other thing to make this. I know you can build better than me. Now you have to need one PVC pipe to make stand of the fan. It is not fitting in the magnet hole, so I am heating up and change the shape of it. Oh, when I heated it, it broken, so do it carefully. So hey guys, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. It is totally free for you.
ठीक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक लीजिए
Now I make a connector to attach the motor to the PVC pipe. I make it from PVC pipe. You can also make it easily. Try your home. If you going to market to purchase a 12-volt DC fan, it is very costly for you. So my suggestion is make it yourself. It is very low cost, less than 200 rupees. Also it is DIY project. I am fitting the motor with the stand and at last you have to need one propeller to complete this fan. Now it's ready for you. Attach with motor. Now it's ready for the